What is up, guys? This is Luigi Brian here, and as you can see, today I got 3DS XL, the silver one, the Mario and Luigi Dream Team include pre-installed. So got this today right after I got school. So let's talk about it. This might be a two-parter, maybe even more. So in the back you have like images of the game, along about a little bit about it, along with some other stuff. It tells you how bigger it is compared to the normal DS or maybe the DSi. Can't tell. And then all the functions it has: internet browser, face, AR games, and all this. And then it tells you the rating. Of course, in the side it has the little Nintendo, and then bottom it has the warnings. Top it has Mario and Luigi. There it is. And then it's Mario Silver Mario and Luigi edition. Oh, nice. Okay, well, I'm not sure if I can start opening it. No, I can't. This thing, not cool. Give me a second. Great. I'm going to break this thing in a second. So not only that, I got a case for it. Pokemon Y and Pokemon X, or probably it's the other way around. So pretty sure I already got it open. Oh, I got one side open. Come on. Well, I ripped off Mario's mouth. So, he's fine. He'll live. Somehow. Without a mouth. Well, part of his mouth. Give me a second, guys. Why can't you come out simple? Alright. So we just got it out of the box. And the stuff it has: instructions manuals, AR cards, so little club, quick start guide, instructions to the operating it, so in case you missed it, how to install it. Oh, it has it in Spanish also. Sweet. Now let's get on to the system. Well, we got a charger here, as you can see. Not only that, we also got the system. Lovely, lovely system here. Okay, now the system looks nice. Yeah, nice system. Mario and Luigi in the front cover. Back, the logo, the year of Luigi 30th anniversary, I'm guessing, of the game of Mario and Luigi together. It has the stylus on here. It's the SD card. Looks pretty good. Charger, the right button, the left button, little card to play the games. 2 cameras, the volume on and off. Well, give me a second. Part 2 will be later.